train station, all steaming and wheel, wagon wheel. See? But yeah, there's like an old steam wheel over there. Wagon wheel. Why? What kind of wagon is going to be that big?
Think about how big wagon wheels were.
Dang. Well, yeah, they made like outlet plugs so big. But no, my bounce sucks sometimes. But no, this is like a abandoned train station. And you really don't see trains come by here. You really don't. It's rare to see one. Old light bulbs. I bet you they have to still work. Is that like a fault?
Mm-hmm. It's not safe.
Whoa. Look at that. Still open.
Mm-hmm.
That's locked. Hold on. Could that have mold on it? Come here, I want you to look at it. Oh, it's metal. Metal can't get mold on it, right?
Hmm?
Yeah, there's no mold.
No,
Because it's not metal. Metal can't get mold, right? Hey, what?
Come on.
Look how hard that was. Look at that old light switch for that. Well, Pete, I don't know why. It's probably locked. I just noticed that, okay. Oh, snowman, 2 trees, there's another snowman over there. Oh, door, somehow, I can't tell if it's locked or not. Look in there. No, what is that, like a heater? No, it's a camera light. For a bird cage, a stair, a cleaning box, a old clock. I don't know what else. And well, I think another thing. Oh, wow. A guy's in a rock. Just don't see the rock anymore. There's another one in the back. How would y'all read that? A wagon wheel. Wow, it's only stuck on my head now. What? Look at that. Does that look at one of those cool plants? Look at that kind of quality you see like on cartoons.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I know, but I don't watch it. How did that not just bust up? Oh, well, look at that old ladder. See, like, abandoned stuff has cool stuff. Look at this. Look how hard glass is. Perfectly not, but well, yeah. I am backing away from that thing. That's an old radio. I'm not dropping my phone in here. Wow. Whole American flag. But look at this. Look at this. That didn't break it, but look how glass. I know. But look how hard glass used to be back then. Right, Mom? Like, if that was a piece of glass, not been done shattered by now. You want to walk up here?
No.
Why? What the heck? It still got power. Hold up. No way it still has power. I'm walking back towards that white switch. There's no way there could have been power through here. Usually there's no power, that mirror box would have been turned on, right? Usually mirror box ain't turned on like that. Find me a stick. What'd you see? Does that light switch have a mold on it or no?
No, come on, son.
Alright. Well, that was the place.
I'll take you to the cotton mill. Come on.
I'll be making that video. Alright, hold up. Forgot to show this. Look at that. I'm getting some train stuff in there. Peace.